Visit this lounge for all-you-can-eat, freshly made sushi. Unbox ANA Lounge near gate 114. It is compact but surprisingly quiet. How about the view from the lounge? What else shouldn't you miss here?
Hi, I'm Tripapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Japan, a lovely place to experience unique traditional culture. You can also find modern hotels with amazing scramble square views from Shibuya. And of course, delicious food you shouldn't miss. Before we unbox the lounge journey today, as always, let me tell you how I got to Tokyo. I flew EVA Air with Trimama and Leon in economy class via the 787 Dreamliner from Taipei. I experienced the best lounge in Taipei, 1U VIP, and took the airport buggy to the gate with a child. How about their kids' meal? Check out the link below for full details. Since I will fly back to Taipei on EVA Air Royal Laurel class via their latest aircraft 787-10 Dreamliner from Tokyo Haneda Airport Terminal 3, I'm entitled to enter the Star Alliance Lounge, which is ANA, home-based lounge. There are 2 ANA lounges here. The main lounge is near Gate 110, which I have another unboxing video with the link for you. And the lounge we are going to visit today is the one at the satellite area near Gate 114. The ANA lounge is on the 4th floor. Let's find out. Upon entering, I can feel this is a sleek business style. Luckily, children are allowed to get in, even though it's quite full, but surprisingly quiet inside. It does take some time to find 3 connected seats. Let's check the buffet first. If you are a sushi lover, you shouldn't miss this signature free-flow sushi bar, which another ANA lounge doesn't supply. For hot dishes, they supply a simple breakfast in the morning. Cold plates including salads and sandwiches, cookies, and a few pastries are available. Another highlight is the Japanese sake and free-flow beer at the small drinking corner. This is what I got: curry rice, sushi, and some other food. Since we need to deal with Leon, the window seat is the best place to attract his attention. Lastly, there is a family-friendly toilet. It's a great feature for those who are carrying a toddler. In summary, ANA Lounge near Gate 114 features free-flow sushi that is definitely a hit, and the hot dishes, like Japanese curry rice, are also very tasty. In my next video, I will fly back to Taipei on board EVA Air Best Business Class seat, manage Leon falling asleep, and enjoy my onboard meal.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.